Hey everyone, it is Carl from Easy Crypto here, and in this video we're taking a look at Trust Wallet Mobile. So this is a crypto wallet you can download on your phone, and you can use it to send, receive, and store a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies. So in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your Trust Wallet, and then how you can start receiving and sending crypto to and from your wallet. Okay, so I'm going to put my phone on the screen and we can get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Trust Wallet's website. So as you can see here, I am on trustwallet.com. And now what I need to do is basically select what device I'm on. So I'm on an Apple iPhone, so I'm going to hit download on the App Store. And I'm going to allow it to switch apps. Okay, so here we are on Trust Wallet. Now I already have this app downloaded, so I'm going to hit open. But if you did not have this app previously, you would just have to download it, which takes 2 seconds. So I'm just going to open Trust Wallet here. And here we get started setting up our wallet. So we can swipe through this information that Trust gives us. So firstly, private and secure, all assets in one place. So what we need to do is create a new wallet. So at the bottom here, I'm going to hit create a new wallet. And if you have the time, you can read through their privacy policy and their terms of service. So once you've done that, just hit I've read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy and hit continue. Now we need to create a passcode. So for the sake of this video, I'll be doing something simple, 123123. But obviously you'll need a much stronger password to make sure no one gets into your Trust Wallet. Now this part is really important, and Trust Wallet does a good job at emphasizing that you should back up your wallet. So it says here, in the next step, you will see your secret phrase, 12 words, that allows you to recover a wallet. So what you need to do is check all of these boxes here. If I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. If I expose or share my secret phrase, my funds can get stolen, and Trust Wallet will never reach out to ask for your secret phrase. Just to add on to that third point, you should never give anyone your secret phrase. There's a lot of scammers out there who will try and get you to send them your secret phrase, but just keep this to yourself. Don't send it to anyone, not even your family and friends. It's your personal recovery phrase. So we've checked all those boxes. I'm going to hit continue, and now this is our phrase. So what you want to do is write this down and keep it somewhere safe and private. You will need these words to recover your wallet if you lose or break your phone. So these words basically back up all your funds. So make sure to do this carefully, write this down, and keep it somewhere safe and private. Now the reason you want it somewhere private is because if someone finds these words, they can just steal your funds. So once you've written this down, you can hit continue, and now it's going to ask you to verify your secret phrase. So all you have to do now is select the words in the correct order. Okay, so I've selected all 12 of my words in the correct order, and I'm going to hit continue. And there we go. Your wallet was successfully created. We can now start receiving and sending crypto to our wallet. So I'm going to hit OK here, and here we are in the main screen. So now let's take a look at how you can receive funds into your Trust Wallet. It's really simple. All you have to do is hit receive over here. And now you need to select the coin you would like to receive. So for example, if you wanted to receive Ethereum, you'd click Ethereum here, and there's your Ethereum address. If you're receiving Bitcoin, just click Bitcoin, and there's your Bitcoin address. If you're receiving Zcash, just click Zcash, and there is your personal Zcash address. So in this video, we'll be receiving Bitcoin. So I'm going to hit Bitcoin, and I'm going to copy this address. Now you can send funds to this address you've copied. So if you were using Easy Crypto, you would copy this address and paste it in the address bar when you're checking out, and we would send the funds straight to your Trust Wallet. Okay, so I've sent the funds through to my Trust Wallet, which should arrive shortly. I'm just going to exit the screen here, and then I'm going to hit Bitcoin over here and just refresh over here. Okay, so as we can see here, the Bitcoin has arrived in our Trust Wallet. We have around $15 in Bitcoin. Now, if you do want to change the fiat currency it shows, you can head over to your settings in the bottom right here, then head over to preferences, and then you can select currency. So I'm in South Africa, so I'm going to scroll all the way down and select South African Rand. And there we go, it now displays in Rand. So I'm going to hit Bitcoin again, and here we can see I have this much Bitcoin, which is around 262 Rand. So now we know how to receive crypto into our Trust Wallet. let me show you how to send crypto to another wallet. So what you would do is get your receiving address and copy that. So let's say you're selling on Easy Crypto and you're sending the funds back to Easy Crypto. We would give you an address. You would copy that address, then head over to Trust Wallet. Now, when you are in Trust Wallet, there are two main ways to send crypto. Firstly, you can go to the main screen like we are here and hit send. Then after that, you can select what crypto you'd like to send. Or if we exit here, you can just select Bitcoin in the first place, click Bitcoin, and then click send Bitcoin. Now the next step is to paste your recipient address. So this is where the funds are being sent to. So like I mentioned earlier, you would copy your address from wherever you're sending it to, and you would paste it into Trust Wallet there. So I've just pasted that in, and now I have to select the BTC amount. So let's say I wanted to send 0.0001. I would just type that in and click done. But in this case, I'm going to do the maximum. So I'm going to hit max over there, and there we go. It's put the maximum amount I can send, and I'm going to hit next. So now we're going to see this screen that just gives you all the information about this transaction. So we can see the amount leaving our wallet, the RAND value, what asset it is, where it's coming from, where it's going to, the network fee, and the max total. Now if you click the setting icon in the top right, you can actually select a manual fee. Trust Wallet will usually put the best fee possible, but I don't mind waiting for this to clear. So I'm going to make the fee low and hit save. When you do have your fee this low, it may take a few days to clear, so just keep that in mind. Now I can confirm everything is correct, so I'm going to hit confirm. And there we go. We can see the outgoing transfer. So if we just click on that, there we can see all the details, and we can see that the status is pending. So now soon enough, that my receiving wallet will receive that Bitcoin I've just sent to it. And there we go. That is how to set up a Trust Wallet, how to receive funds into your Trust Wallet, and how to send funds from your Trust Wallet. Just remember to back up your 12 words and to keep them somewhere safe and private. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, everyone.